Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. We're going to show you backup camera installed on a Mercedes ML 2013. This vehicle we've used the Auto Eye flash mount camera, so we drilled it just next to the handle. It's clean and nice, same as the factory location. And we have used the factory screen to show the image. We're now going to go inside, show you the image on the factory screen. Start the vehicle. Factory screen will load up. We put the vehicle in reverse, and we have the camera in the back. Put the vehicle back in drive or in park, and the camera will turn off. Backup camera add-ons for different vehicles and universal systems can be found at Car Systems. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.